Hey friends, welcome to Soulful Kitchen where Joanna gains cozy farmhouse vibes meet heartwarming country charm. Picture rustic beams, creamy cabinets, and islands begging for family gatherings. Dive into these 14 dreamy kitchens that wrap you in timeless warmth. Let's get inspired together. Imagine stepping into this Joanna Gaines-inspired farmhouse kitchen, where the big reclaimed wood island invites lazy mornings with its marble glow, and those creamy cabinets brimming with charm. Shiplap whispers cozy secrets under timber beams, while the apron sink frames a peaceful winter garden. Rustic warmth wraps everything in soft neutrals, making every corner feel like a hug. Picture this wide L-shaped haven glowing with Joanna Gaines magic, butcher block counters begging for fresh rolls, distressed cabinets hiding treasures. Brick alcove hugs the range, sunlight dances through steel windows onto woven baskets. It's pure country bliss, where worn woods and linen curtains weave that irresistible rustic spell. Envision a harvest table island stealing the show in this Gaines-style kitchen. Sage cabinets with brass pulls adding subtle spice. Exposed joists overhead cradle pottery on shelves. Subway tiles gleam by the deep sink. Fields peek through mullioned glass, blending rustic ease with country heart in every warm layered detail. Dream up a U-shaped farmhouse flow channeling Joanna Gaines, soapstone shining atop creamy cabinets, arched brick framing the range drama. Woodbeam Island promises gatherings, gray shiplap soothes the soul. Open shelves spill grains and herbs, rustic coziness blooming in earth tones and distressed delights. Feel the double island delight in this Gaines-inspired space, timber and marble partnering for prep perfection, linen white cabinets softly distressed. Herringbone oak floors lead to porcelain sinks, Rattan trays whispering welcome. Neutral warmth with faded blues crafts cozy country magic that's simply heart-melting. Wander into open shelves bursting with crockery and botanicals around a zinc island in true Joanna Gaines vibe. Chalky cabinets grounding the charm. Stone chimney breast anchors the range, sage windows flood soft light. Chunky knits and wood boards bring rustic snuggle, patina glowing with country soul. Savor the quartzite island's waterfall elegance in this cozy Gaines kitchen. Taupe and ivory cabinets dancing in harmony. Coffered beams watch over scallop tiles. Double sinks bask under transoms. Antique bowls and linens layer rustic joy. Brass lights warming every gray-kissed country nook. Glide through a peninsula paradise echoing Joanna Gaines. Salvaged plank island with wine nooks, edgecomb gray cabinets sparkling. Shiplap vaults high, limestone counters steady the scene. Seagrass and pottery pile cozy vibes. Olive hints threading country charm like a favorite quilt. Cozy up to a curved banquette island in Gaines' farmhouse glory. Grayish cabinets with hammered pulls inviting touch. Plank walls meet beams, soapstone blues grounding it all. Macrame sways by the farm sink. Checks and textures weaving rustic tales full of heartfelt country warmth. Breathe in the symmetrical serenity of this Joanna Gaines kitchen. Concrete island blending with off-white panels, iron details popping. Brick floors murmur under wainscoting shelves, burlap shades softening the light. Copper molds and linens craft rustic embrace. Honeyed glow pure country poetry. Delight in tiered shelves above live-edge wood in this Gaines haven. Alabaster cabinets strapped in leather allure. Cathedral trusses soar over marble veins. Clear story light kissing the apron sink. Woven chargers and sisal sing rustic song. Pheasant motifs fluttering country charm softly. Treasured trestle island with zinc shine stars in Joanna Gaines' rustic realm. Charcoal and pearl cabinets framing china glass. Timber hoods and limestone paths lead cozy. Antler touches twinkling. Sage verdigris patina whispers flannel soft secrets. Country heart beating warm and true. Slide into spice wall wonders beside Marble Island in Gaines-inspired bliss. Putty cabinets with bale handles beckoning. Sloped ceilings drip vintage light. Shiplap cradling the butler sink. Herb bundles and baskets brew rustic coziness. Brass warming every woven country whisper. Gallery shelves frame Heart Pine Island in ultimate Joanna Gaines farmhouse dream. Coastal fog cabinets cupping pulls sweetly. Encaustic tiles pattern the floor. Gabled windows over trough sink gleaming. Cloches and risers nestle rustic joys. Buttery florals blooming endless country comfort. There you have it, 14 stunning Joanna Gaines-inspired farmhouse kitchens bursting with rustic coziness, from reclaimed wood islands to shiplap walls and soft neutrals. Love the country charm? Hit like if these spark joy. Subscribe for more soulful designs, and drop your fave in the comments below.